Okay, so your Android tablet somehow ended up in safe mode, and now some of your apps are disabled, and you're not sure how to get out of it. Getting out of safe mode is actually easier than you'd think. You're simply going to restart your tablet. On my tablet, for example, I hold down the power button and volume down button together, and from here, just tap Restart. The exact button combo can vary depending on your tablet. Sometimes it's power and volume up instead. Each brand kind of has its own combination for bringing up the power off menu. If you're having trouble with the physical buttons, another easy way to do this is through Quick Settings. Swipe down from the top right corner, and sometimes, depending on your tablet, you'll need to swipe down twice to see the full panel of Quick Settings. Here, either at the top or bottom, you'll see a little power button. Tap that, tap Restart, and Confirm. That'll restart your tablet, and it will come back up in its normal state, out of safe mode. If, for whatever reason, it boots right back into safe mode again, just double-check that nothing is physically pressing down the volume buttons. A tight case or some debris stuck in there can accidentally trigger safe mode on Android during startup. So make sure nothing's pressing those buttons. Restart again, and you should be all set. And that is how you exit safe mode on your tablet. Click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.